Okay, so the thing was simple. It was just a normal hard restart and it just worked on its way. I did nothing. Okay. So here's what we have till now. It's loading and we have got the data. It's just that we have not displayed over here and it's damn simple. If we can, we need to always do something here now. Okay, because we have got an empty space to do. Now, just a quick recap of what we have done till now. So in the, we have got the data over here in genres. We have all the genre till now, but we did not do any coding here. Instead, we made a new widget and call that. So now we can do anything over here. It's just to make a code a little bit, tidier. Okay, so I'm just a minute. I'm returning a container, but before that, let's just set height because in container, when you are working, it's good to write the height first. So it will be showcased as a parent height. Okay, so now we can deal something over here. Just a minute. I think I'm getting some issues. Okay, good to go. Okay, so we have the container. So now we can just say child, and initially it's a tab controller, but we are using a default tab controller. Okay, trust me, like it will be smooth process. Okay, there is a default tab controller and there's a tab bar view. There you go. Just don't need to understand anything. Simple as that's it. Everything will be displayed now. The parameter length is required. Okay, we'll go here. We'll show the length. And what is the length? It's just genres.length. So genres.length. Saving this. Now what we have missed over here? We have missed the parameter children. Okay. So we go here. We write children. We don't want from we don't want to hard code. We want it from here. So simple. Genres.map. You can use arrow function, but I'm like a slightly old school. So what I would prefer is that go here. Everything will be in the form of genre model because every single entity we are going through will be this. We are returning something. So I must say container. And still there is an error. There is a reason because it should be in the form of list. So it's already written here that can't be assigned to the parameter list. So nothing, simple. Just go to the ending bracket and enter toList. So now it's written toList. So let's say that, if I write child in text, I can say that genre to name dot to uppercase. And if I save this, and if I go in here, you'll see something. Okay, I hope. No, I'll not see anything till now. Why? Because let's say figure this one on your own out, but in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you should have paused the video till then. I'm gonna show you the answer. Okay, why it's not happening is because in the load data we have we have not passed this. We are only calling loading widget. So let's just go here and call our load data and pass snapshot dot data. And we can just comment out the printing part because we know we already get the data. Okay, so we get the error. So okay, so we messed up a couple of times. And it happens. Okay, every developer messes up some or the other time. So first mess up was I did not write here return. Okay, so that should not create a problem, I think, but it has solved till now. And I'll try to do one more thing here. And the second mess up was that it's not tab bar view, it's just tab bar. So if I save this, we'll say that we'll get an error that not an error, that tabs is required. And that's true because here we have to write tabs. If I save this and if we go on here, you can see we have everything, but that thing is not as we want. So to solve this, we can just write as is scrollable, and we can say scrollable is true. If we save this, and now if we try to have it once, it will. You can see that now it is working, but it's not what we want. Okay, we want something special, fancier. Okay, so how to do that? So just copy this widget till now. We will use this, but not here. So what we are thinking is that just make a scaffold over here because it will have an app bar that will have all the titles, and according to the title, it will list all the movies down the in the scrollable form as well. So you'll definitely get this. So in app bar, we can say preferred size, and here we can write that child, and here you can we can use our app bar that we made. So there you go. And here they are preferring something that parameter preferred size is required. So what does this mean? So I know what it means. So this means that from the container height, how much portion you want to allocate to app bar. So we are allocating from height, let's say 50. We'll try to change this if we do not like the allocations. We can change this. Yeah. So it's a app bar that we have made till now. Okay. So in here we have to make a bottom, and the thing that we copied when we were learning this, we can just paste it here. So there you go. And if we save this, it will be reformatted. So if you will see the result now, it's not, you will not like this because it's not designed appropriately. But if we just, it's designing, it's nothing. Okay. The thing is, I just add some background color and it's good to go. So I'm just copying the background color that we have used. So if I'm copying this in the genre list, and if in scaffold, I'm pasting this as our background color. Also, in the app bar, we can paste this as our background color. If you are saving this, and if we now look at this just once, you can see that now this thing is getting a little bit more, we can watch this now at least. Okay. This is not yet, means it's not like completely working, because we need to get all, let's say if it's action, then we need to get all the action movies. If it's adventure, we need to get all the adventure movies. So that thing is left. We will do it in the next component. But till here, we can just reform it a little bit. So it's simple. We need to do nothing. Where we have written the text. So in here, we can just add a few padding so that they are, all 10. Save it. And if you want to increase the, let's just see if it works well. I want to increase the fonts, but if it's working well, I don't think we need to do that. Yeah, it's okay. We don't need to change the font size. Okay, then, well, I think that's it for this video. And let's see what happens when we do 75. I don't want it to be too up. Okay, now it's cool. So in the next video, what we'll try to do is that we'll add the posters of all the things down here, and that will be very easy. If you have understood till here, it's gonna be super simple. We just have to add a tab controller, because this tab should match with all the controllers that we have here as well. Okay, and just if we have some time, I think we'll have a few minutes. I just changed this color. I don't like the matching. Okay. So here in the default tab controller, let's see what we have. Okay, we don't have anything. I think we might have. Here, I think we might have something. Indicator, yeah, let's say indicator color, amber. And if we save this, yeah, now it's better. It's a small thing, but we customers like it a lot if everything matches. So well, that's it. We have our 2 components ready. Now it's time for our 3rd component of adding the posters. We'll do in the next video. So thank you so much for sticking it by, and I hope you're having a good time. You have a great day. Bye-bye.